How are you doing? This is Terry Cunningham, known as Jamaica Income Guy. Are you still seeking for ways to make money online? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step training program that allow you to earn money while learning. So if you're interested in knowing how or learning how you can go about making money online, this training program will teach you how. And also, while going through the training program, this training program will show you how you can earn while learning. So I want you to watch this video to the end, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified of any video I upload as soon as I upload it. As you can see right here on this page, you can see a tons of results that people are making just by following this training program. This training program is safe and secure. You don't have anything to worry about. All you need to do is just click the link in the description and get started with this training program. Alright? As you can see, it doesn't matter what company you are in, and it doesn't matter what product you are promoting. This training program will teach you step by step all you need to know to make your first sale online. As you can see, result. All these payment is payment that this training system show others step by step what to do, how to go about doing it, and also while doing it, it allows them to earn income. So if you're interested in making money online, you need to click the link in the description. We're going to take you to this page. As you can see, it is newbie friendly. So even if you're a total beginner starting out from scratch, this is definitely for you. This training program will allow you to earn over $100 per day in just 30 minutes of work. So if you're interested in earning over $100 per day in just 30 minutes of work, click the link in the description. Yes, click the link in the description and get started with this training program. It's going to cost you just $1 to get started. Just test this out for just 14 days, okay? Yes, it's going to just cost you $1 to get started, and you can just test this out and start seeing results just by using this training program. I'm going to show you my results so far just by using this training program. I want to show you that this training program does work. I'm going into one of my new ClickBank account at the moment. I want to show you that this training program definitely works. So if you are seeking for ways to make money online, you need to check this training program out. Alright? As you can see, I'm here logging into my ClickBank account, and this is just a demo ClickBank account. I was testing out the training and see what kind of result I will get from the training. And I do got results from this training. So I highly recommend it to anyone who are seeking for ways to make money online starting from scratch, even if you are a total beginner. Okay? Hold on, I'm trying to load the page. Just want to show you my results so far just by using this training. So if you really want to earn while learning, you need to check this training system out. Alright, I'm going to try to log in now. I'm going to try to log in now. The internet is moving a bit shady, but just bear with me because I want to show you proof. Yes, I want to show you live proof that this training system is something that you can start it out with if you are seeking for ways to make money online and you did not make your first sale as yet, or if you don't know where to start. This training program will show you definitely what you need to do. The internet is moving a bit slow, but I'm trying to log in to show you guys my proof just by using this training program. Hold on, just bear with me a bit. As you can see, I'm inside of my account and this is just a demo account testing out this training program. As you can see, I get started with just $1 and this training program allow me to earn while learning. As you can see, I have over the $1 that I pay to get started with this training program. As you can see, I earned $3 that week, and the other week I earned $16, and I wasn't doing any work whatsoever like how the training provide the step-by-step guide that I should follow. I wasn't even doing the 100% of the work that they told me to do within 30 minutes. So if you are interested and you going through this training program and you follow this step-by-step guide that they laid out for you, I'm sure that you can see result just by following this training. So if you're interested, I need you to click the link in the description and get started. Okay? Alright, have a nice day.